ఎస్ మనం ఇప్పుడు శ్రీయాస్ లైఫ్ స్పేసెస్ స్టాల్లో ఉన్నాము. మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు సేల్స్ జిఎం సమీర్ గారు. సార్తో మాట్లాడదాం. హాయ్ సార్, హలో, ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది ఇటువంటి ఒక ప్రెస్టీజియస్ ఎక్స్పోలో మీరు కూడా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడము? అలాగే ఇంతకుముందు ఎప్పుడైనా పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారా? దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం.
We have been participating in all the expos, the property expos, say so for Credai, SBI, and I think it's the second time that we're doing with Times. It's been great experience, good clients, good customers, good inquiries. So hopefully we're looking for better conversions and good sales.
ఓకే సార్, ప్రెసెంట్ ఉన్న ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏంటి రన్నింగ్లో? ఎటువంటి ఎమ్యూనిటీస్ మీరు కస్టమర్కి ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నారు?
Right now మా దగ్గర 3 projects ఉన్నాయండి. They are located, one is in Medchil, one is in Nanakramguda, which is close to Kokapet IT corridor, and one is in Bachupalli. So these are three different segments. One is a villa project, one is ground plus 18, and at Nanakramguda we have a project called EVA, which is a 40-floor structure, multi-high-rise structure. And in terms of amenities, I can proudly say that we are the one company which are giving the highest SFTs of amenity clubhouse areas. And exclusivities in terms of, we have the architects are from international oriented, the huge profile architects, and also in terms of construction quality, say so, and also the external facades and common area utilization, landscaping is all been done by internationally acclaimed architects. So you can say we are into the luxury segment of residential projects that were coming up in different sectors of Hyderabad.
సార్, ఏదైనా ఆఫర్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నారా పర్టికులర్లీ ఈ ప్రాపర్టీ షోలో మీ స్టాల్ విజిట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళకి?
Our best offers are our projects itself. So there is nothing discounted in terms of price. But said so, yes, once the customers are interested to buy and decided that this is what their end home would be, we are happy to give away at a better price. That's there. But as of now, we are not running any offers. Offers అనేది ఏం లేవు.
So what are the privacy and security facilities you are giving to the customers in the constructions?
See, in construction, this is whole and soul. We have to comply with all the safety and security norms which are as per the GHMC or HMD formats. In terms of the entry gates are all surveillance secured with boom barriers, with your security gates, security staff throughout, CCTV camera throughout all the project. And in terms of other forms of facilities, in say you have a very good housekeeping system, you have a very good internal cleaning facilities, then the common areas, the lobbies, the concierge. We are also providing the one company which is also giving you valet parking systems. So these are into the luxury segment projects.
సార్, ఎలా ఉన్నాయి వాకింగ్స్? ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? కస్టమర్ దగ్గర నుంచి ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఏమొస్తుంది?
Very good walk-in అండి. పొద్దున్న నుంచి we are quite busy. Right now also we have all the tables full. So enquiry బాగా జరుగుతున్నాయి, కన్వర్జన్స్ బాగున్నాయి, and we have, I think, good numbers of people have accepted the visits coming tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So we are looking for good number of visits.
సో వై కస్టమర్ హ్యాస్ టు చూస్ శ్రీయాస్ లైఫ్ స్పేసెస్ అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు?
Specifically, it is because of the location that we are having. All the 3 projects are located next to a very naturally oriented big open spaces. If you talk about EVA, it is next to open space of 550 acres, heritage rock formations. If I talk about the Medchil villa project, it is next to 400 lake. It is completely hydra safe. And TRI is a project next to 2,000 acres of forest area. So exclusivity in terms of location, then the specification, and also the kind of structures that we are making. So yes.
రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thank you.